Cleaning and maintenance. Before cleaning, be sure to power off the device. Disconnect the dual lumen breathing circuit from the device and unplug the power cord if plugged in, and disconnect the dual lumen breathing circuit, including the Aerogen power cable. Wipe the control unit and Aerogen power cable with a cleaning towelette or damp cloth. Do not spray water or cleaner onto the control unit. Allow all parts to dry completely before reconnecting them for use. The viral bacteria filter and Aerogen Solo nebulizer cannot be washed. Examine the inside of the filter, and if it is visibly wet or soiled, replace it. The outer plastic may be wiped with a cleaning towelette. Disconnect the remaining circuit components. Thoroughly wash in mild detergent and warm water. Rinse all soap from the components and place the small parts on a lint-free towel and hang the coaxial breathing tube to dry. Ensure all the components of the dual lumen breathing circuit are dry before reuse. For complete cleaning instructions, including compatible cleaning detergents, refer to the BiWaze Clear System User Manual. For more information about the BiWaze Clear System, visit our website at www.abmrc.com.